Ever wish you knew what was going on at your business without actually being there? Well, with FPOS Group, we can help you with that. Future POS has a built-in free texting and email alert system. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to follow up on a void or discount one of your employees made right away? Let me show you how Future POS allows you to be proactive on voids and discounts instead of waiting till the end of a shift, day, week, or month. This employee wants to help out their buddy LeBron James. He wants to void off 2 cheesecakes, as well as give him 50% off on his appetizer. Without Future POS's text alert system, you would have to wait to view a report to know that this happened. Since I have text alerts set up, let's see what happens. As you can see, I just got a text alerting me of a void. I can now call up the store and either ask the manager to look into this transaction or ask the employee myself. When your employees know that you are watching what they are doing, even if you're not around, this will encourage them to not steal from you. By reducing theft, this is just another way that FPOS Group and Future POS put money back in your pocket.